Hey guys, Dr. Cary Yurkiw here. Today I'm going to be making a healthy breakfast snack, and I like to make an omelet. So if you're working on getting in better shape and losing some weight, this could be good for you. I'm going to put the butter on this digital scale right here. So get a digital scale, putting the butter on there. Gonna cut the butter just to grease the pan. It's a non-stick, but I still like to have some butter for that. And this will tell me how many grams I use. So on the scale, you're gonna see a number, 3 grams, and you're gonna be able to use that in your calculations when you go and enter that. And I use Carb Manager for my tracking for the food I use. This is the cheese that I use, just some shredded cheese, a couple eggs, and some milk. So eggs are easy. We're just gonna crack the eggs, put them in there, okay, just like that. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take a little bit of milk here. Now you might wanna put that on the scale just to see how much milk you're using. I'm using 3% organic milk. I'll show you that in a second. Just drop a little bit of milk in there. So this is 3% organic milk. If you're using organic, higher fat is good. If you're not using organic, generally lower fat is good because the fat might have some hormones or chemicals in it depending on where you live. Now, the next thing, we're gonna take some cheese and we're gonna add some cheese to this. And we're gonna mix this omelet up. I like to use a silicone spatula on the non-stick. So something like this, you're just gonna mix that up, turn up the heat a little bit, we'll get this going a little bit quicker. And we're gonna turn on the vent fan, so sorry for the noise here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we've got this scale zeroed out, and we're gonna use this cheese on the omelet. So cheese generally is good if you're going lower carb, just a handful of cheese right in the middle, and then just reweigh it, 30 grams, that's what we're using right there for cheese. Okay, so this stuff can go away, the egg's done, the butter's done, really easy to make a snack like that. You can hear my dog Luca in the background chewing away. This is what he did to the end of the spatula one day. So just put the cheese right in the middle. You might want to add some other vegetables in there if you like that. You know, you could add some mushrooms in there, pepper, stuff like that. But you want to get that cooking. I like to get it so the edges start to really firm up. So just let that cook for a bit. A couple of minutes. I'm going to put this away in the fridge. There we go. And then I just like to scrape around the edges just to get a sense for what the omelet's doing. Let it cook a little bit longer here. Okay. And once it starts to firm up nicely, we're going to flip it in half. That's what I like to do. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. I've got some salt and pepper in here. And you could do that right now. You could just take a little sprinkle of salt, put it on there. You could put a little sprinkle of pepper on there. Just like that. Excellent. Pepper's good for you. A little bit of salt's good for you too. Here's Luca. He's helping me out with the cooking today. He's looking for some scraps. Let's see if we can get Luca on there. Here he is. So, so Luca's helping me out. And we're just gonna see if we can flip this yet. It's getting ready, it's getting ready, it's getting close. And that's what I like about the non-stick. Get a good quality non-stick so you can easily flip your omelet. I like to have this a couple times a week, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week, because it's healthy. You'll see, I'll enter it in my Carb Manager and I'll give you a link to some of the videos I'm doing on social media. I did lose 30 pounds, over 30 pounds in 100 days, and I wrote a book called The 100-Day Diet. It's on Amazon. In 2023, I'll be doing a course a mini course on that. So if you want to take the mini course, just type in course here on social media or on YouTube in the comments, type in course. And when it's released, I'll let you know about it. I'll keep you on our mailing list. If you're interested in some one-on-one coaching to get in better shape, get healthier, then type in coaching, and then I'll put you on the coaching list, and then I'll talk to you about coaching when that's available. And it'll be based on the low carb, some intermittent fasting, better lifestyle, exercise, good nutrition, smoothies. Those are the things that I did to get in good shape. So I'll be writing about that coming up on these social media posts, as well as in this course in the coaching program. So let me know if you're interested. We're gonna just let this omelet sit for a bit. It's gonna cook all the way through. It'll be ready to go. I'll take a picture of it when I'm done, and then stay tuned, guys. I'll keep posting here on this channel about different foods that I'm cooking and what I'm eating, so you get some ideas, as well as you know what is healthy and what's good if you want to stay in good shape.